Hi friends, I'm really happy to announce this new program on YouTube which is named as News in Views. It's basically on all these news spreading around and what is that really in it, the views of people who are perceiving it and adopting it to their knowledge base. Now, for today, we have this subject which we will be discussing on. It is net neutrality, Facebook, and India. We are not going to get into any confusions or conclusions for that matter. The subject is open and we will be discussing the views, not the news. So, welcome to all the views and enjoy it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Swati.
I'm Devshri.
And we'll be talking about
Net neutrality, digital India, and how we can be related. Are these two related or not?
what is net neutrality.
Well, net neutrality is basically accessing everything on the internet. Your flow of data shouldn't be hindered by any kind of rules and regulations. It should be available for even for a small kid or a big CEO of a company. It shouldn't be that there is a particular website that only a big shot of a company can access and a common man cannot access. It's all about that the internet should be free for everyone, and each and every content on the internet should be accessible
We
to
should
each
have
and
the
everyone.
freedom to express ourselves, we should have the freedom to put up content on it and not have the complications of
The rules and
and the
regulations.
rules and regulations,
You
yeah.
have something like you are given a toy and then you are said ki, okay, we are giving you this toy to play, but now you are about to,
And you paid around
and
say
you bought
150,000 bucks for
huh.
the toy. Okay, I have bought it. This is mine. Now they're saying, yeah, this is yours, but you
But
get to
to
keep it,
play
and to
you
play
have
with
to
it, you have to pay 50 bucks every day.
every day. Okay, you have to play just take it as a ball. Okay, you have a ball along with you, and you just bought it for 50 bucks, and you have a ball. Now you think that you have the entire freedom of the earth to play with that ball in what way you want. But then you get on to some terms and conditions that comes onto that thing. Okay, you have the ball, but you just purchase the ball. You don't have the right to use the ball right now. So if you want to play fetch and throw, you have to pay 50 bucks more.
And now we'll be talking about internet.org.
Yeah. You have seen the advertisements of internet.org by Facebook. That you have
All the
all
pros about it, we
advertisement
have heard all the
like
pros,
saying
but
that
yeah.
there is a girl in some remote area. She developed a remote hand. Just think if she had an internet connection, what could have been she been able to do more with the help of internet? So that advertisement, if just taking on the aspect of advertisement, is very good approach of getting the people to know
But
what the
there's
thing is
always
all
something
about.
hidden behind
But
it.
do you know the backside of the story? What internet or what Facebook is all about? It's about a group of few websites or apps that they have combined together in the internet.org by Facebook, and it is actually in which you are confined to those websites only. You don't have the on all the freedom on the earth to access any website through that, and hence it actually goes against net neutrality. It is not net neutrality. You are again confining us to few websites कि हाँ तुमको ये हमने दे दिया, तुमको करना है तो तुम यही करो, नहीं तो मैं हमको मतलब
Exactly.
नहीं
For
है.
example, you're hungry, you don't have food. So this
हाँ,
person
तो
comes to you and says,
and
"I'll pay you. I'll give you food, but I'll only give you bread, and and you have to eat that bread for every day.
हाँ एग्जाम
Otherwise, don't eat."
सिमिलरली यू हैव गॉट लाइक द एग्जाम्पल. हमारे आपके मॉम ने आपको बोला कि ओके ये खाना है हमारे पास, यू नो दैट यू हैव ऑल द डेलिकेसीज प्रेजेंट ऑन द टेबल, बट स्टिल यू आर मॉम हैव सेड तुम्हें खाना है तो तुम्हें ये दाल चावल ही खाना नहीं तो तुम कुछ और नहीं खा सकते. अब
भूखे मरो.
so you are like left with no option. So what you will prefer if you're not willing to eat that thing, and if you not want to have that food, it's being equal to being hungry. Like not even having something without your will is equal to being hungry. So hence it's no use of this. So hence internet or .org by Facebook is not
They have
favoring net
pros.
neutrality.
They have pros, yes, but at the same time,
The
cons
cons are
are more.
more.
If you
Because
want that child to have creativity, if you want a child to feel creative, and you're providing them that, okay, we'll be providing these sites, then she or he should have the access to all the sites. not just few sites, because you want the creativity to be big, then go for it. Like, give them
It
everything.
shouldn't be that you have few websites. Okay, this is okay. We on the entire earth you have few things related to. You search for a particular question and then you say कि अच्छा ठीक है मुझे ना इसके बारे में बताओ. Make it anything. You go for something. You have to learn something from the internet. So there are numerous and hundreds of websites that will teach you in the very perfect way. But maybe a very good website which is actually giving you very good knowledge
Might
about
not
it
include it.
is not even being recognized by anywhere in the world, because it doesn't fall under the category of the internet.org. Hence, it is not being considered anywhere, and you're getting all those as the brushing up of those knowledge. Ki this telling same thing again and again in different videos is something very different. You will be like कि अरे ये तो अभी भाई उन्होंने same बताया है, कौन सी नई चीज हमें बता रहे हैं. So again you're being confined to that, and hence they are breaking all the rules of the net neutrality, what it is all about, and hence it's not.
In short, we should have the freedom about the
We
internet.
should have the freedom about it. It's not
Exactly.
about just about net. Facebook is doing something. ओ अच्छा ये ऐसा है कि क्योंकि इसमें हमारे कोई डेटा चार्जेस नहीं लगेगा. It's not about that. You don't know how many hidden charges are there. आपने अपना नेट पैक लिया एंड नेट पैक में आपने कुछ पैसे अमाउंट दिए एंड you thought you are done now. ये तुम्हारा काम खत्म हो गया. But after 2 or 3 days, आपके पास एक मैसेज आता है, you trying to access a website, and as you press enter, there is a website. You will be charged, by the way, for this website. So, do you want to continue? And then you will be thinking, should I continue? Oh, they'll be accessing, they'll be taking money from us. So, I think I would go for the free website. So, what about that one website? If you're taking charges from them and going to the free website, maybe the costed one has got more data and more information about what you have searched for. It's not about going free or going with the cost. It's about going everything free and being free for each and every information there at present.
That's why this might be this might be a good idea for big shot companies. But what about the companies which are like new, which are people who are starting
For
up,
past
people who want
2-3
to
years,
go
India
ahead
has
with it.
been growing up with the startups. There are numerous startups that have been developing in our country. So they don't, maybe at the beginning they don't have that much investment to have that much of money to give to any big shot services, to any of the telecom services कि हाँ मैं आपको इतना पैसा दे रहा हूँ तो आप हमारी वेबसाइट को इतना ज़्यादा डिस्प्ले करो. So it can be something like the push notifications that they give you कि आप even these days if you have been Instagram user, you see those sponsored links on Instagram today. Because earlier Instagram used to have any sponsored links. It's all about what you're following and who are following you. But now you have Instagram that sponsored links, and most of them that I've seen are about new apps that are coming up. So maybe it's not that they'll be showing them for free. Sponsored means they are giving something to Instagram. Instagram in return is giving them something. It's not about कि हाँ अच्छा ठीक है आप नए हो, we'll give you the freedom of being on internet. No, it's not about that. It's about आप पैसा दे रहे हो तब आप आओगे, नहीं तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है.